Hello, my name is Randy Curry. I'm the CEO and Managing Director of ShareTheVisionFX.com. I'm sending you this brief video to introduce myself, to let you know who I am, what I do, and how my team and I can be of help and service to you. After retiring back in 2015 as the owner of a men's barber stylist business for over 30 years and the manager of a joint venture with my father, I moved to the Arkansas River Valley area where I reside in Clarksville, Arkansas. As a fellow business owner, I know full well the challenge of getting the kind of results we all want and need from advertising and marketing of our products and services. In 2005, I began teaching other business owners and managers in New Zealand, Australia, Canada, England, and the U.S. on how to build their business to a place within a 5-year period of working on their business, not in their business. It's the dream of the vast majority of business owners to build a business that allows them to reduce their workload, increase their streams of income, and be in a position to either sell their business for 5, 10, or 20 times its annual revenues, or have a team of employees who use the systems you have created to continue generating an acceptable income that allows you to do what you want, go anywhere you want, and do whatever you want anytime you like. After 30 years, from 1975 to 2005, I realized that most business owners become prisoners of their own business and end up trapped in a prison of their own making. Their business robs them of time with their family and friends, keeps them in a world filled with anxiety, stress, financial difficulties, and usually makes them old before their time. Over the course of the last 20 or 30 years, the internet has literally taken over the way we all advertise and market our products and services. That's why I decided to come out of retirement after only 5 years to help business owners and managers get the kind of results they want and need. I started advertising and marketing the products and services I offered my clients back in 1994 and have continued to do so ever since. I've been very fortunate to have studied and trained with some of the most brilliant online marketers since the beginning of the World Wide Web, including Ken McCarthy, Corey Ruddle, Yannick Silver, Marlon Sanders, Mike Kinnick, Frank Kern, Jeff Walker, Sam Ovens, Jason Bell, Brandon Lucero, Mark Laxon, just to name a few. So if you've been struggling to get the kind of results you want and need from your online marketing and advertising efforts, I cordially invite you to set up an appointment with me at your earliest convenience for a free 30-minute consultation to discuss how it can help you get much better results from your internet advertising and marketing. After you've made an appointment with me for your free consultation session, I'll immediately go to work to create a detailed 25-plus page analysis and diagnostic report for your website and another social media report for your Facebook page. These two reports will tell you exactly what you're doing correctly and all the things you and your webmaster need to fix for you to be able to get the best marketing results possible. These two reports will tell you exactly what you're doing correctly and all the things you and your webmaster need to fix for you to be able to get the absolute best marketing results possible. This free consultation will help you better understand how you can start getting much better advertising and marketing results very quickly. And the audit reports can then be given to your webmaster or developer to fix all the problems you've been having with your online performance. It's my way of saying thank you for allowing me to help you. There's absolutely no obligation and no sales pitch involved. I learned a long time ago that one of the greatest feelings in the world is knowing in your heart that you've been able to be of help and service to others. So schedule your free, no obligation consultation today. Complete the 3 steps here on these web pages and get ready to start getting the kind of online marketing and advertising results you've always wanted. Until then, this is Randy Curry, and I look forward to speaking with you very soon.